Welcome back to another episode of Finance for 20s. In this video, I'll be talking about the 9 money skills you must learn in your 20s. Your 20s are a crucial decade for setting up your financial future. While it might seem overwhelming, learning these 9 important money skills now can pave the way for a lifetime of financial stability and success. These 9 essential money skills will help you build a solid foundation for the years to come. Now, before we get into this video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. The number one skill you need to learn is budgeting. Now, this is a very important skill you must learn in your 20s. Learning how to budget is crucial for financial stability. Now, you can start by keeping track of all your income and expenses over a period of time, maybe a month, and you can use budgeting apps or even budgeting templates on Google Sheets to record every transaction. Now, the primary goal of this is to ensure you are not spending more than you earn, which is fundamental for avoiding debt and building your savings and investments. Now, once you have a clear picture of where your money is going, you can make informed adjustments to your spending habits. Now, this will enable you to allocate funds for essential expenses and also increase your savings and investments over time. Also, budgeting can help you in understanding your financial situation, and this can help you set realistic financial goals and plan for future expenses and also invest your money wisely. So ensure you are taking budgeting serious while you are in your 20s. The second skill you need to learn is saving. Now, discussing how important it is to save money cannot be overemphasized. Now, you need to make saving money a consistent and disciplined habit, especially in your 20s. Now, always aim to save at least 20% of your income every time you make money. Now, to make this more effective, I will advise you open a savings account that offers high interest rate to maximize the growth of your savings. And then you can set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your savings account. Now, by automating this process, saving money becomes more effortless, ensuring that you consistently put money aside without even having to think about it. And over time, these regular contributions will accumulate and help you build a substantial amount in your savings, providing financial security for your future. The third money skill you need to learn is investing. Now, this is also another powerful way to grow your money and secure your financial future. Now, you need to start by learning the basics about investment. You need to start learning about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, crypto, real estate, and so on in order to build your investment portfolio. You can also automate your investment so as to help you to be consistent. And remember that even small investment can grow significantly over time with the power of compound interest. So don't look at it that maybe you are making a little amount of money that you cannot invest any amount of money. You can start by investing very tiny amount of your money, and before you know it, you are investing a lot of money. Now, the next skill you need to learn is managing debt. Now, if you have debt, you can start by focusing on paying off high interest debt, because if they accumulate quickly, it can become unmanageable. And it's also essential to thoroughly understand the terms of any loans if you want to take loans. You need to understand the interest rate and the repayment plans. And being proactive about your debt does not only help you in relieving stress, but it significantly improves your overall financial situation and gives you more control over your financial future. So if you have debt right now, ensure you pay them back as soon as possible. The next skill you need to learn is having emergency fund. Now, having an emergency fund and savings are two different things. And this is because life is full of surprises and uncertainties. So having an emergency fund is absolutely important. Now, for your emergency fund, you should aim to save an amount equivalent to 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses. Now, this emergency fund should be kept in an easily accessible account, which will allow you to access the money quickly in case of sudden emergencies such as your job loss, unexpected medical bills, your car repairs, or other unforeseen circumstances. Now, it is practically like your financial safety net, providing you with a support that helps you to navigate through tough times without you having to get loans, which can lead to debt. I hope you understand. Now, the next skill you need to learn is discipline. Now, in this aspect, I mean you being disciplined in every area of your financial life. Now, for instance, as your income increases, it becomes often tempting to increase your spending as well, where you can be getting luxurious things, eating at an expensive restaurant, or purchasing a bigger home. And then making more money means that you are now having more expenses. However, being disciplined is the key to building long-term wealth and financial stability. So instead of immediately upgrading your lifestyle with every bonus you get, consider saving or investing the extra income wisely. And by putting this additional money into your savings or your investment, you will help yourself to build a stronger financial foundation over time. Now, this approach will not only safeguard your financial future, but will also enable you to achieve long-term financial success and security. Now, the next money skill you need to learn, which is important, is negotiating skills. Now, negotiating effectively can save you a significant amount of money in various aspects of life. Now, whether you are negotiating your salary at a new job or negotiating the price of a car or any other expensive expense, perfecting the skill of negotiating can make a difference. Now, you can practice negotiating regularly to get better deals and ensure that you are paying a fair and reasonable amount for things you are buying. And by developing good negotiation skills, you can significantly impact your financial well-being, allowing you to keep money in your pocket and potentially save it. So overall, learning the skill of negotiating can contribute greatly to your personal life and also your professional life. Now, the next skill you need to learn is networking. Now, building a strong professional network can significantly open doors to a variety of new opportunities, including higher paying jobs, insightful advice on financial matters, and potential collaborations that might increase your money. Now, to build your network around what you do, you can attend industry events, conferences, seminars, workshops, and so on, where you can meet like-minded professionals or even experts in your field. And you can join reputable professional organizations that align with your career goals, where they can offer you exclusive resources and networking opportunities. It is also important to connect with mentors who have experience and can provide you with guidance and support throughout your career journey. Now, when you are talking about a strong network, it does not only connect you with people who can offer you advice or share knowledge with you, it also provides you with resources and opportunities that would greatly enhance your financial situation. And then the last one is financial literacy. Now, as we know that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money, it is important for one to continue learning about personal finance through various resources such as books, podcasts, videos, seminars, and so on. Now, by dedicating time to educate yourself on financial matters, you can gain deeper understanding of how money works. The more informed you are, the better decisions you are making regarding your investments, your savings, and your spendings. Now, this continuous learning process will not only help you navigate through financial challenges, but will also help you to seize opportunities. And as a result of this, you will feel more confident and secure about your financial future, knowing that you have the knowledge to make effective financial decisions. Now, I have a video on 6 personal finance books you must read in your 20s. The link to that video will be in the description below. So in conclusion, mastering these 9 important skills during your 20s can set you on a path to financial success. So by embracing budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, building an emergency fund, practicing financial discipline, perfecting your negotiation skills, networking, and continuously improving your financial literacy, you can create a strong financial foundation. Now, the habits and knowledge you develop now in your 20s will serve you well throughout your life. So I hope you've been able to learn something valuable from this video. And if you want to learn the 8 profitable online business ideas to start in your 20s, click the link showing on your screen right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.